Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a selfie with your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So, take a selfie, just open up your camera, and on the bottom right you see these arrows, flip it, and now the front camera is working. Take a picture. Once you've taken a picture, on the bottom left you can see immediately the picture, and this is how you take a selfie with it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some troubles, let me know what was your problem and I'll do my best to help you out in the comments down below.